just wanted to explain the materials that I used. So these are alligator clips. I used these to connect the wire to the battery. I just wrapped the exposed cord around these. This is a 9-volt battery. This is the power source. With a 9-volt, I would get a bronze color to the titanium, but if you can add on more 9-volt batteries and get a lot of different colors like blues and greens and purples mostly, and bronzes and yellows. Sadly, to the woe of many, you can't get black or red with anodization. So black jewelry is obtained doing something else. This is what I'm doing it on. This is after I did it, but you'll see in the video that this was originally all silver and it turned bronze, which it was supposed to. These are the wires that I used. You really just need two. And we used the wires. I used the wire stripper to strip off it so I could wrap this around things. This is the copper wire. This operated as my cathode connected to the negative side to complete my circuit. And the titanium piece operated as the anode. Basically how it works is when the circuit is completed, the current will flow. So if the circuit is closed, then and only then the current will flow, but before then it's not. And the current is closed when you put the anode and the cathode in a place where they can interact. And the place where they interact is this water, which is distilled water that I put baking soda in until it didn't dissolve, and then I just put a little more water in so that the baking soda was completely dissolved. It makes an electrolyte solution. Okay, so today I'll be anodizing titanium. This is a titanium labret piece. It's used in jewelry. It's a 20G threadless piece. But this is what it looks like before. And then I'm gonna wrap it in this wire. All right, this is like a stripped piece of electrical wire. For some reason, people don't like being shocked by their wire. Okay, so this is copper wire. This is my cathode. And the titanium is going to operate as my anode. Okay, so the one with the cathode goes to the negative side. And the one with the anode goes on the positive side. I'm using a 9-volt battery. And then this is an electrolyte solution. Basically water with as much baking soda as I could dissolve in it. And now I just dip this guy in here for a little bit. It's already changing color. I'm gonna show it on the paper towel after. I'm just making sure that it's a good anodization. And then the current doesn't start until you complete the circuit, but
what I'm trying to say here is don't leave the voltage source connected to the anode and the cathode, and that the current won't flow if the circuit is open.
And then as you can see, the labret has changed color.